I went to the General Assembly. I used my continuing ed time and money to go to the General Assembly in 1978. I hadn't been to the Assembly for a couple of years. That was a terrible assembly in terms of the treatment of gay and lesbian persons as well as the issue. And I even took a phone call in my hotel room from somebody who was a deacon at the church, at Immanuel Church, who was saying, am I still a deacon? Can I still be a deacon? Mm-hmm. There wasn't really a movement yet. I mean, there was this organization for gay and lesbian Presbyterians and parents. PFLAG, I think, already existed. But I wasn't aware of an organizational effort until 1997, when the Covenant Network started to brew. As I traveled around the country and met more and more gay and lesbian Presbyterians who were just watching and wanting and waiting for change, the people that were just, that weren't leaving, that were hanging in, fueled. The effort fueled me, fed me. I mean, in the moment of passage, some people cried on both sides. We're more restrained than we wanted to be. We were overjoyed. This was a long time. I think we did that in a kind of private way. We did it in a more public way just now with our symposium in April of 2019, many years later.